Welcome to the video class of foundation course. Today I am going to discuss some problems from material. We have already discussed question number 1 to up to 11. Then today I will discuss question number 12, 13, 14 like this one by one. Now question number 12. Find the values of the trigonometric functions of the following. Find the values of the trigonometric function of the following. Find question number 12. Find the values of trigonometric function. Find the values of the trigonometric function. Number 1 bit, if tan theta equal to 5 by first bit, if tan theta is equal to if the tan theta is equal to 5 by 12 where theta is third quadrant, 5 by 12 where theta lies in third quadrant, theta lies in third quadrant. Clear? Find the values of the trigonometric functions. Find the values of the trigonometric functions if tan theta is equal to 5 by 12 where theta lies in third quadrant. Since theta lies in third quadrant, this is theta, here tan and cot. These are positive and others are negative. Clear? So what is tan theta here? Solution: tan theta is equal to 5 by 12, that is equal to what? P by B. This is equal to P and this is equal to B. What is this? H. This is H. This is P and this is B and this is H. What is H? H is equal to root over P square plus B square. That is equal. H is equal to what? P square means 25. B square means 144 root over, which is equal to 13. So H is equal to what? 13. Now sin theta is equal to, what is formula for sin theta? P by H. Here sin theta is negative because theta lies in third quadrant. So put minus sign first. Then apply P by H formula. Sin theta equal to P by H. P means 5, H means 13. Similarly, cos theta in third quadrant, cos theta is also negative. Clear? In third quadrant, sin theta is negative. So put minus sign. Similarly, in third quadrant cos theta is negative, so put minus sign first. B by H, that is minus 12 by 13. So cot theta equal to what? Positive. B by P, that is equal to 12 by 5. And what is here? Cosec theta. Cosec theta or sec theta is equal to reciprocal of cos theta, that is equal to minus 13 by 12. And what is cosec theta? Cosec theta is equal to minus 13 by 5. These are the trigonometric ratios of tan if tan theta is given. Right? Then question number 11, second bit. If sin theta equal to 3 by 5 where theta lies in second quadrant. Question number 12, second bit. If sin theta is equal to 3 by 5, theta lies in second quadrant. 3 by 5 where theta lies in second quadrant. Clear? So sin theta, what is formula sin theta? Sin theta equal to P by H. This is P, 3, and this is 5 and this is 4. Theta lies in second quadrant. Here sin and cosec, sine and cosec are positive and others negative. Clear? So what is cos theta? Cos theta in second quadrant, cos theta is negative. In second quadrant, cos theta equal negative, so put minus sign. B by h, that is equal to minus 4 by 5. And what is tan theta? Tan theta is also negative, minus 3 by 4. And cot theta is also negative, minus 4 by 3. And this is, what is sec theta? Sec theta equal to reciprocal of cos, that is equal to minus 5 by 4. And what is cosec theta? Cosec theta is equal, here cosec theta is positive due to second quadrant. So cosec theta is equal to h by p, that is 5 by 3. Okay. We have already done question number 13. Now question number 14. Show that the equation sin theta is equal to x plus 1 by x is impossible if x not equal to 0 and x belongs to set of near number R. Solution: given sin theta is equal to x plus 1 by x. Correct, this is given data, and we can write x minus, we can write okay, x plus 1 by x whole square is equal to x minus 1 by x whole square plus 4 into x into 1 by x. How it is obtained? We know a plus b whole square is equal to what? A minus b whole square plus 4a. Be clear? A minus b whole square plus, by this formula we can write x plus 1 by x whole square is equal to x minus 1 by x whole square plus 4 into x means a means x and b means 1 by x. So this is equal to what? So this is equal to x plus 1 by x whole square is equal to x minus 1 by x whole square plus what? 4. And what is x plus cos? X plus 1 by x, that is sin theta. So sin square theta is equal to x minus 1 by x whole square plus 4. Right? So what is the value of sin square theta? Sin square theta is equal to this plus this. So obviously this quantity is positive and this is plus 4, positive. Obviously sin square theta greater than 4. Example, suppose take both two positive number. Suppose 10 is single number, right? Suppose 10 is equal to, suppose 10 is equal to 2 plus 8 now. This is positive, this is, so 10 is greater than this term and 10 is also greater than this term. If both are positive. Clear? Similarly, sin square theta is equal to this plus this. So there are two components for sin theta. Sin square theta is greater than this vector and this vector. This is fundamental, right? So we can write here, you can write sin square theta greater than equal to 4. This may be 0 na. So sin square theta greater than equal to 4. But we know what is the maximum value of sin square theta. Maximum value of sin square theta is equal to 1. But we know what we know we know 0 less than equal to sin square theta less than equal to 1 now. So value of sin square theta lies between 0 to 1. But here sin square theta greater than 4, which is impossible. So So sin square theta greater than equal to 4 is impossible. Hence proved. Right. Question number 15. A cos theta. I have already discussed about this. If cos theta plus sec theta, cos x plus sec x is equal to 2, then cos 10x plus sec 20x is equal to dash. Right. This is solution. Cos theta plus sec cos x plus sec x is equal to 2. This is equal to cos x plus 1 by cos x is equal to 2. This is equal to cos square x plus 1 by cos x. This is equal to 2. So cos square x plus 1 is equal to 2 cos x. That implies cos square x minus 2 cos x plus 1 is equal to 0. That implies what? Cos x minus 1 whole square is equal to 0. That implies cos x is equal to 1. Then sec x equal to what? 1 by cos x. Right. So sec x is equal to also 1 by 1. Now cos 10x plus sec 20x. This is equal to 1 to the power 10 plus 1 to the power 20. 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. Right. We have already discussed. If cos x plus sec is equal to, then cos any power plus sec any power is equal to 2. Similarly, this is cos sec, sin cosec and tan cot. Same answer 2. Okay. We have already discussed in the previous lecture. Now for question number 16, the concept is question number 16. If what is question number 16? If cos alpha plus cos beta plus cos gamma is equal to 3, then question is, what is sin alpha plus sin beta plus sin gamma? Sin alpha, then sin alpha plus sin beta plus sin gamma is equal to dash. Interesting concept. Clear? This is solution. Cos alpha plus cos beta plus cos gamma is equal to 3. What is, since maximum value of cosine function is equal to 1, so here cos alpha equal to 1, cos beta is equal to 1, cos gamma equal to 1. ହେଲା तुम भीतर के जन कहबे कौन कहबो ना cos alpha 0 नेबी, cos beta को मु cos alpha को कौन नेबी, cos alpha को 0 नेबी, cos beta को 1 नेबी, cos gamma को 2 नेबी. तो 3 हो जे नै, मात्र एटा ठीक न हो. कौन पे ना कोसाइन फंक्शन रो cos alpha हो, cos beta हो, cos gamma हो, ए सब फंक्शन रो कोसाइन फंक्शन रो मैक्सिमम वैल्यू केते 1. यदि 1 मैक्सिमम वैल्यू तुम 2 नै परिबि, तो 2 नै परिबो ना. सो 0 1 2 नबो, तुम कह मु -1 नेबी, एटा -1 नै जिबी, एटा 1 नै जिबी, एटा 3 नै जि हबोनी. तीनटा नंबर ऐड कले जोटा कि 1 टू अधिक नथिबो -1 टू कम नथिबो एमिति तीनटा नंबर को ऐड कले 3 होतबो केवल कोन 1 1 1 हेले ही 3 हो बुझी पारो तो ना नहीं एटे को बुझिबा दरकार कोन cos अल्फा प्लस cos बीटा cos गामा 3 हबो cos रो मैक्सिमम वैल्यू होछि केते 1 मिनिमम वैल्यू होछि -1 एमती ए भितर -1 टू +1 भितर तीनटा नंबर तुम सेट कर जोटा कि ऐड कले 3 होबार अच्छे किसी नंबर मिलबनी केवल 1 ही आंसर हम तो cos अल्फा cos बीटा cos गामा each and every term is equal to 1 so right so cos alpha equal to 1 cos beta equal to 1 cos gamma equal to 1 what is sin alpha equal to what 1 minus cos square alpha so what is therefore sin alpha is equal to therefore sin alpha equal to 1 minus 1 0 similarly sin beta is equal to 1 minus 1 0 sin gamma equal to what 0 so what is the value of sin alpha plus sin beta plus sin gamma so sin alpha plus sin beta plus sin gamma is equal to 0 clear now another question now this is another question tan theta if tan theta equal to 3/4 then find this value 3 sin theta minus 4 cos theta divided by 3 sin theta plus 4 cos theta tan theta is equal to what 3/4 so what is this is equal to 3 and this is equal to 4 and this is 5 clear so sin theta is equal to what sin theta is equal to p by h sorry p by h 3 by 5 cos theta is equal to what 4 by 5 put the values here that is equal to now 3 sin theta minus 4 cos theta this is sin theta minus 4 cos theta divided by 3 sin theta plus 4 cos theta use this value 3 into 3 by 5 minus 4 into 4 by 5 divided by 3 into 3 by 5 minus 4 by here plus 4 into 4 by 5 this is equal to 9 minus 16 9 minus 16 by 5 divided by 9 plus 16 25 by 5 so 5 goes cancel which is equal to minus 7 by 25 answer so what is answer here so answer is minus 7 by 25 minus 7 by 25 clear and another question the question is what if sin x plus sin square x equal to 1 then cos square x plus cos 4x equal to dash so answer is 1 how it is obtained so right solution sin x plus sin square x is equal to what 1 so sin x is equal to what 1 minus sin square x right so sin x is equal to this is cos square x sin x is equal to cos square x okay and what is cos square x cos square x is equal to we can write sin x na again cos 4x what is cos 4x is equal to sin square x clear use this now cos square x plus cos 4x is equal to what is cos square x here cos square x means what cos square x means this is sin x is equal to 1 minus cos square x remain as it suppose this is cos square x and what is cos 4x this is what is cos 4x here cos 4x equal to sin square x clear cos square x right as it and what is cos 4x cos 4x means sin square x So sin square x plus cos square x is equal to what? So answer is 1. So answer is what? Answer is 1. Now another question. So question is, what is question? Question is tan theta plus cot. If tan theta plus cot theta equal to then 1, then find tan 4 theta plus cot 4 theta. What is the value of tan 4 theta plus cot 4? Tenth solution given tan theta plus cot theta is equal to 1. Squaring both sides. Squaring both sides. Squaring both sides. So what is this? Is tan square theta a square plus b square means cot square theta plus 2 into tan theta into cot theta is equal to 1 square means 1. That implies tan square theta plus cot square theta plus tan into cot 1. 2 into 1 is equal to 1. This is equal to tan square theta plus cot square theta 1 minus 2. This is equal to minus 1. Again squaring this. Again squaring the above. So tan square theta plus cot square theta whole square means tan 4 theta plus cot 4 theta plus 2 into tan square theta into cot square theta minus 1 the square, this is 1. That implies tan 4 theta plus cot 4 theta plus 2 into tan square theta cot square theta 1 is equal to 1. That implies tan 4 theta plus cot 4 theta is equal to 1 minus 2 is equal to minus 1. So minus 1 is answer. Minus 1 is answer. This is question number 19. And another question is sin 6 theta plus cos 6 theta plus 3 sin square theta and cos theta equal dash. And cos theta equal dash. We know AQ plus BQ plus 3AB into A square plus into A plus B. What is formula? This is formula for A plus B whole cube. Right? So we can write here sin square theta whole cube, cos square theta whole cube plus 3 into sin square theta into cos square theta. Right? Into we can write 1 here. 1 means this is cos square theta plus sin square theta, or sin square theta plus cos square theta. In place of 1 we can write this is equal to 3 sin square theta cos square theta into 1. You can write now 1. So this is AQ plus BQ plus 3AB plus 3AB into A plus B formula. A plus B whole cube. Here A is equal to sin square theta and B is equal to cos square theta whole cube. This is equal to 1 cube, which is equal to 1. So answer is what? Answer is 1. Thank you. Have a nice day.